Alright guys, here it is. We've been wanting new wheels for quite some time now, and they finally showed up. These wheels are by, as you can tell, Lock Off-road. I've been looking for a wheel that had a more negative offset and just a little wider. Yeah, I've been trying to search for that wider stance look. Since my truck is on a 7-inch lift, I felt like that was kind of needed for it. So here it is. This is the Olympus, again by Lock Off-road. This is a 20 by 10 in a negative 24 offset, and then of course in that 6 by 139 wheel and bolt pattern. All right, so we'll see what it looks like. There she is. My true goal for this wheel look was just kind of having a deeper dish without going, necessarily too wide of a wheel. Again, this is a 10-inch width in the wheel, and then that negative 24 offset. I was really wanting that all black look, and this wheel really, gave that to me. Can't wait to put it on, but we are gonna put some protective sealant on it first, just to make sure that we kind of minimize the cleaning process. All right folks, so right now we are wiping down the ceramic detailer, just pretty much a quick sealant on the new wheels, just making sure that we can minimize the cleaning in the future. And yeah, so we're just reapplying this application 2 to 3 times, just having that extra layers. She'll be all ready to go.